Hi, I'm going to show you how to see which keywords your competitors rank for in Google. This tool takes any domain and pulls back their complete organic keyword profile. You'll see ranking positions, search volumes, difficulty scores, and intent data. More importantly, you can filter this down to find the opportunities that matter to you. Start by entering a competitor's domain, just the domain name, no HTTPS or www needed. Then select the country or city you want to analyse. Type a few characters and pick from the drop-down. Hit Analyze and give it a moment to fetch the data. What makes this useful is context. Knowing what works for competitors helps you spot gaps in your own strategy, discover keywords you hadn't thought of, and figure out where you can realistically compete. Once the results load, the summary at the top gives you the big picture: total organic keywords, estimated traffic, traffic value, and average CPC. The change indicators show how many keywords are new, improving, declining, or lost since the last update. The chart below maps their keyword distribution by position. Each bar represents a position range: first place, positions 2 to 3, 4 to 10, and so on down the rankings. This shows you where their visibility actually sits. The keyword table is where you'll spend most of your time. Each row gives you the keyword, current position, trend, difficulty, volume, CPC, and intent. Intent badges tell you whether searchers want information, are comparing options, ready to buy, or looking for a specific site. The filter above the table are worth understanding. Quick win surfaces low difficulty keywords with decent volume. These are realistic targets. High value shows high volume terms with commercial or transactional intent. The keywords most likely to drive revenue. Opportunities catches declining keywords with strong volume, gaps that might be opening up. Battleground isolates positions 11 to 20, just off page 1, within striking distance. New and declining track recent movement in their rankings. Found a keyword worth tracking? Click the plus button to add it to one of your domains. Expand any row to dig deeper. You'll see the ranking URL, title, description, bid estimates, and a 12-month volume trend chart. One tip: start with direct competitors, then branch out to adjacent sites in your space. The broader you look, the more keyword ideas you'll uncover. And that covers competitor keyword analysis. Try it with a few domains and see what you find.